Boob tube.
Boob tube. How weird was that? Another vlog starting off this week.
So I got a surprise.
What?
Before I get to the actual surprise,
A surprise?
I'll show this thing. This thing, we got a little story behind this one right here. I had to go buy a new Space Cadet because, Colin got butthurt at Pappas because Pappas was running his chick's kit and went ahead and broke our Space Cadet.
Pappas was jonesing for Colin's girl, and Colin got mad and decided to punch the fucking space dude.
Space Cadet is the homie of homies. Colin got way too bent up that Paps was just running his chick's kit. Sorry, shit happens. Don't take it out on the pad, you know?
But I want to know what the fuck is it in this thing.
Also, it's kind of like a surprise to you.
I'm very.
And
this is my first surprise on HEMECULA Camp. I don't know how I'm gonna react to this.
It's nothing too special. It's just kind of a nice, cool house ornament. So I went ahead and bought this.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
Tell me how.
Are you kidding me? Of all things.
Fuck yeah, dude. Dude, look. New space guy.
No way. That is fucked up. That wasn't the whole time.
Yeah.
You're a fucking piece of shit.
Well, I also got a fucking spacesuit because you're banging his chick's kit. Fucking. Thanks.
Yeah, dude.
You know?
If you didn't have to like hop in people's business and fuck their girlfriends, then we wouldn't have to buy new space guys.
Fuck this space guy. This guy's got so much clout right now.
Well, dude, that is.
Bombers are here. How's it hanging? I like your shirt, by the way. Good
Thanks.
choice.
Thanks.
Pinche COVID pendejo.
I don't know what pinche means, but he sold me.
Alright, we're on our way to Tanner's house right now. I'm assuming B Wild's gonna jump over the Lambo.
Yes, sir.
Are you actually going to?
Yeah. Wait, where'd you load your bike?
I'm
They didn't load my
bugging.
bike.
We just pulled up to Tanner's house. You know the gate code, right? Can you
Starts
guess?
at 4?
Can you guess?
It's like 420, 69.
Yeah, for sure. For you. Oh, for you. See, it works every time. Hey, I'm just letting you know. Oh, what are you doing over there?
I told you I'm coming through.
No, you didn't.
I tried to pull up and get a story tag and you guys leave me?
You did not tell me you're going over there.
Dude, I see it.
You're big bugging. Hey, pull up to Tanner's.
I'll pull up.
All right.
Pull up for the kid.
You know where it is, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, 42069 is still the code.
Yeah. You jumped over the GTR, and now you get to jump over the Lambo. And Braxton's doing it with you.
I'll leave that one for the Palmers.
That is a
Hey, what are you doing down there?
that is a human centipede.
There's a hole in one of the oranges. It's weird. Whoa!
I was taking pictures for my OnlyFans.
Yeah. Oh, you definitely got it. Hey, I've been beating off lately.
Good.
I'm able to now.
It's good.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you.
You know
Thanks,
what he's
man.
been beating off to?
What?
Fucking nuggets.
Fuck you.
I told you that shit's fire.
All right, guys.
Hey, shut up.
Check it out. Come on out, Paps. Yeah.
Hanging out.
Holy shit.
Yo, get rid of that, bro.
I said, yo, get rid of that, bro. You want some of this shit?
Why?
Hey, Victoria's Secret's here. Let's fucking jump the Lambo. Dude, this is so fucking wrong. This is so bad. Hey!
Let's pull up. Whipping them courtesy vehicles, bro.
Holy shit.
This thing only cost me 10 grand.
Bro, I'm glad you showed up. We got the hottest 951 babes out here right now.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Red panties tonight.
Yeah, we got the models out.
Let's go. All these chicks didn't respond, so I had to. No one responded.
Hey, this is the track snacks. Ah! Easy, easy, easy. Oh my god, he lands so hard. This is Demery, this is Taylor, Demery sends it, Taylor sends it.
Yeah.
So we're teaching you guys how to ride dirt bikes today. Great idea?
Great idea.
Can you strap me in?
Yeah. Get in there, man. Get in there.
Do that? There we go. All I'm hearing is content, baby.
Yo, these chicks are dead ass like gnarly though. They be bugging on some shit. Oh my god! Oh no! No way! Hit the hydro.
I'll give you one of my coats if you fucking coats.
Hey, Pappas is willing to sacrifice some of his drip for you to go through that.
I can drip you out. I got girl clothes.
Alright. Now I'm about to send it to over the water? Yeah. Okay.
Fucking send it.
Clip's blown out now.
I'm kind of scared.
Oh shit.
I'm just gonna go like right there.
Hey, hit the bigger puddle!
Now do that!
Oh my god.
Hey, my phone died right when she came down.
Bro, you look like a fucking juggalo. You look like ICP, bro.
It's kind of odd. No, but fucking, we're gonna have to have someone airdrop us that shit now.
My phone died.
We need the real first.
Oh my god.
And when you're wheeling,
Like this.
Hey, fucking, you're getting Paps fully torqued over here.
Yeah, y'all need to chill.
Wide open! Wide open! Yeah! I didn't even video it.
It's one of those days. We're going Big Bear. Today's gonna be a solid day. Dude, the fucking Mercedes wing is outstanding. You ready to go get fucking pitted on the mountain, bro?
Yeah.
Bringing out the Golden Girls today.
I'm always ready, bro.
It's gonna be a high. That was bugging right now. Let's go. Big Bear bound, baby. Colin! Wake up! Dude, is he not in here? Colin! Yo, dude! God, he must be snoozing. Yo, we're going to Big Bear, dude. Where are you? Yo, Colin! Yo, wake up, dude! Oh, dude, I thought you sleep in the bus all the time. Oh, I didn't know you. I was just letting the people know you actually have a home.
Yeah, I live there.
Well, you ready?
That's just an occasional weekender.
Nice, dude. Well, you ready to go to Bear?
Yeah, let's do this thing.
Let's fire this thing up. Now, we're broke as fuck. We have no passes, so we gotta hop the fence to get in. Good job, guys. I'm really proud of all of you. 8 o'clock in the morning. Colin's got a fucking nice Rona to start the day. Lauren's already
Glasses are a little flag. Glasses.
My
Glasses, man.
Alright, Lauren. First unload. Don't fuck it up. Oh!
Hey, what did you get?
Oh, we got a crowd, dude. Fuck, I didn't even see it. Yo, dude, you actually made it.
Well, they fucking take so long to do everything. They're standing there like playing with their hair. Like, I'm dipping.
Oh, that was fat.
I just pulled up to this little spot. We're gonna do a little rail practice, see if we can get some cool shots. If not, then we're gonna get the fuck out of here and go hit the bigger shit, because we suck anyways. All right, Timmy, said you wanted to learn rails. Here we go. Yeah! Yeah! First one, and you didn't end up on your face. Oh! Yo, that was fire! Oh my god. Yeah! Yeah! Wait, what is my bad? Oh my bad, dude. Oh, Taylor down! Yeah! Yeah! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, y'all just weeding right now. You boys just died.
In my mind the whole time, I was like, oh god, oh god, oh god.
I'm a little tipsy, so I might get squirrely.
Alright, Pass is drunk right now. Let's see how this run goes. Oh my god! Yeah, and that's a wrap right there. That does it for Big Bear.
Fucking strapping.
Strapping.
Thanks for the hugging.
Thanks for the parking spot at the McDonald residence. You boys always kill it.
You said we should fight. I said no.
Kick his freaking ass.
I did.
You guys should wrestle to the concrete. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Beat his dick. Suck his dick. Have sex with him. It's your brother. It's cool. No, beat his dick. Now jerk him off.
Come on, get off.